Good evening, Georgians. Welcome to online class, 6th lesson, Microsoft Word 2007, Advanced Feature Part 2. So last time we have studied about how to remake and redo and undo. This second part of the same lesson, we are going to learn the balance board features. Find and replacing a text, formatting a text, alignment of the text, and printing a document. So these four features we are going to see in Microsoft Word practically. Okay. Now I have opened Microsoft Word. You can see two question answers are there of your fifth lesson, right? Now we are going to see the changes which are going to take place with the help of, you can say, these four features, right? So the balance four features we are going to see, and how it's going to be useful practically by you people, that we are going to see in this particular, you can say, topic, right? So find and replace a text. So how to find and replace a text? First of all, Control A. Okay, I have going to select the whole content. Control A. Once I done Control A, then steps are there, right? Now Control A. When I have done, I have selected the whole content. Now the shortcut key is Control F. You can see Control F is there. First of all, find the word, right? For example, I'm finding a word, you can say files, Files. You can see files. Okay, first I have to search it, then replace. Now file word I have to replace by folder, folder, right? So I'm just replacing all. You see, wherever file word is there, it will convert to replace. Can you see? For example, write the steps to copy a file or folder. You can see file word is there, right? So many places file word is there. I'm replacing all. You see. Now once I replace, you can see it is indicating four places are there. I have replaced it. Now you can see everywhere that file word has gone and it has become folder. Can you see folder options are there, right? Now again I make it change, right? What changes I'm going to make? You can see again I go back and I make the word folder replace back to file file, right? So I'm changing it. Okay, so I have made changes some places, right? So this is called replace, and you can say change and replace, right? So shortcut key I have told you, Control F. Again I do it, and you can make changes, one option. And replacing, Control H. You can see what word I have made changes. You can see it is repeating there, right? So we have done two shortcut keys. Now next step is called as formatting the text. When you click on formatting text, you can go with this option called change case, right? There are four patterns are there in this also. You can see there. First one, sentence case. Once I click, right now the format which you can see on your screen is sentence case only. Once I click, you can see here. Second one is lowercase. Lowercase, once I click, everything will come in small letters. Okay, even the first letter is in small letter. Then next one is the uppercase. You can see everything is in capital. So it is uppercase. Then capitalized each word. So every starting letter you can see it is in capital. And the last one, that is toggle case. you can see the starting letter is small, rest all words letters are capital. So these are some of the options in changing case, right? Next, you can see on your page number, we have done with page number 74. Now we are on 75. That is alignments. Now alignments, you can see here, I have brought my mouse cursor. Left alignment, Control L. Once you click here or go for Control L, you will get left alignment. You can see everything is gone to left hand side, right? Next one is, I'll bring it back. First, I'll make it proper normal case, that is sentence case. It is in normal. Now I click on left alignment. You can see everything is gone to left hand side. Next one, you can see center alignment, that is Control E. When you click Control E, everything will come in center. You can see. Next one is your right alignment, that is Control R. Once you click on Control R, everything will go and start from right hand side. You can see the changes. And last one is the justify, that is Control J. Once I click Control J, you can see changes are there, right? So right now I'm making it to center alignment. So these are the 4 alignments. With the shortcut key, I have shown you how to use it and make your document attractive. Last part, that is the page number 76, how to print document, right? Now I'm first of all increasing the font size of the content, what is given here. I made it 16, right? For printing also shortcut key is there, Control P. Once I click on Control P, this dialog box will get open. Select the printer, right? For example, my printer is HP ePrint, right? So I have selected this printer. Then whether you want the current page or you want number of pages, 3-4 pages are there, then how many copies you want, that you can select. Then printing, it is in document, so document pattern, okay, and then you click on OK, the content will be printed, okay. Then if I want to see the print preview before printing, then click on Office. You can see a print and print preview. Once you click here, you can see this. You can zoom it, how you want. You can zoom it and check how the content will look like before printing it is, okay. So I have shown you one extra feature of print preview also. So we have come to an end to our 6th lesson. We have completed 2 lessons. Next time we will come up with the 7th lesson. Notes of this lesson I will be uploading very soon. Stay home, be safe,